guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. It is currently Tuesday. I thought I'd start a little weekly vlog today. And yeah, we're back. It is currently nearly lunchtime. It's like 11:30. Archie's super grumpy. I think he's gonna have a nap today because he's not the happiest boy today. And I'm gonna quickly make myself some food because I haven't had breakfast yet and I'm really hungry. I have just been tying up. I did a TikTok this morning, which I haven't done a TikTok since before Tommy was born, so I feel kind of accomplished. I just did a little skincare one. Yeah, I've just gotten Tommy down for a nap. She doesn't have daycare today, so we're gonna have a chill day. Why is the light on? Yeah, we're gonna have a chill day at home. I need to go and get the washing dry at some point too, so we'll do that. How pretty are these flowers? These are my Mother's Day flowers. They're little red and yellow tulips. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. The roses are looking a little worse for wear, but they're pretty too. I got this candle in the weekend. It's from Kmart. There is a mozzie on my flowers. Get off. It's this one here. It's the Vineyard one from Kmart, and honestly it just smells so nice and fresh. It's a woodwick one as well. It's just like a beautiful fresh, like, how do I explain it, like lemony scent. Kind of smells like a grape leaf almost, I feel like. But yeah, that's really nice. I'm excited to burn that. I wanted a candle that was like not so strong because I have one of my I still have a couple of my Christmas candles and they were just a little bit too strong for my liking. At the moment I just wanted something a little bit more fresh, especially since like I'm not really wearing like strong scents around Tommy at the moment, because he's still like a little baby. And the same with my house scents, like I don't want anything too strong in the house, but I did feel like I just wanted a nice fresh candle, so I got that one. So I'm excited to burn that. But yeah, anyway, I'm about to make some food. I think I want to make heater. This I want to make this. I feel like this, it's a, got it from the supermarket yesterday. It's from Kung Food. It's a big steamed pork bun. So I want to make this. I think you just stick it in the microwave. Yeah, so I've just put that on. But I think I'm going to just tidy up the house today. I've been really like getting into my organizing lately because I kind of just let the house go. And so now I'm going, like, we're going through all my cupboards and stuff and just organizing them again to make it more convenient for myself. And yeah, I also need to chuck on the footage from my last vlog and start editing that too. That'll probably take a little bit because there's a lot of footage. That was a really random vlog. It was like here, there and everywhere, I feel like. But I want to just at least put that on my camera today as well. So yeah. Surprisingly, that actually turned out like a perfect little steamed bun. Like the outside's a little bit more like, it's not as steamed as I would like it, but like did a good job in the microwave. I had to open it because it's so freaking hot and I had to let some steam out, and there's jam now on it too from the knife. But that looks pretty damn delicious for a microwave pork bun. Alright guys, so it is now a couple of days later. I haven't been picking up my camera. I need to get used to picking up my camera and filming more what I'm doing. But yeah, today it is Thursday. It is currently, I don't know what the time is. I think it's nearly 5 o'clock. I'm just making Archie's dinner. Today I had like a washing day. I got so much washing done today, and then I went and took it to get it dry because nothing dries at the moment because it's so cold. But while I was waiting for my washing to dry, I went and did a little bit of op shopping, and I thought I'd show you guys what I picked up today. So I picked up a few bits and bobs. The first thing I got is this little ring here. It is so cute. I got this for $10, and to be honest, I think that is an absolute steal because it is such a beautiful ring. I don't know if it's real or not. I went and showed my dad's partner and she said, oh my god, that's such a steal. She's like, it looks real. She thought it was rubies and diamonds around the edge, but I don't know. For $10, like, surely not, right? But then you just never know with an op shop find. But I thought it was super cute anyway. And yeah, I love it. Next thing I got is a little book. I really love these little golden books. I had these when I was younger. Archie has a couple of them now, so I picked him up this one as well. It's the Baby Farm Animals one, and I'm pretty sure it's brand new, like literally brand new. So got that one. I didn't get this today, but I got this last time I went. I don't think I showed you guys it, but it's just a like oversized shirt. This is actually from the men's area, but I had been looking for a blue and white striped shirt for the longest time because I want to just style them with a like pair of jeans. I thought I might start doing, because I like buying, like, I've been getting some really good finds from the op shops lately, so I thought I should start styling. I might do some TikToks or shorts and upload them on to YouTube as well. I'm just like styling the pieces that I'm getting. But yeah, I got this one here. It's from a brand called Van Heusen. But yeah, it's a really nice material. It's 100% cotton. Feels really nice and soft. Next one I got, oh, have you just popped yourself up there for dinner? Next one I got is this little mesh shirt here. I really like this. I found this one today. It's a little bit bigger on me, but I have a visual for this, and if it looks right, I'll do a little styly outfit of the day kind of thing. But it's just so cute. I love this mesh material, and it's got really nice like detailing, like the paneling down the front here with the stitches. I think it looks really nice, and little shell buttons. So I got that too. That's what I picked up today, other than the blue shirt. And then some other things as well that I have got are, I showed you guys the bag last week, the beautiful like gold mesh bag that I got, but I don't think I showed you this. I got this for Tommy's room, and it's just a little teddy bear print. I've hung it up on his wall already, obviously, but I just thought that was super adorable. I loved it. So that's in Tommy's room. And what else have I got? I've also got an amazing pair of pants. Like, I think it's one of my favorite pair of pants that I've actually bought. It's a pair of black dress pants, and they just fit perfectly. Like, I never find pants that fit me right because I've got really short legs. I'm short in general, so I find it really hard to buy pants for myself, but they were perfect. They'd been tailored, and yeah, they were just absolutely perfect, so I loved those. But those are my thrift things at the moment. I've been going every like week lately, because I just like going there and seeing what they have to offer, what they've got in the store, and everything is just so like affordable. So yeah, anyway, I am now just about to get Archie's dinner ready, and then I'm going to start doing the tidy up and bedtime routine for the night. Tommy's down here on the floor just chilling, and I'm about to get him. What's wrong? Are you hungry? Your dinner's nearly ready. Okay. Good morning, guys. So it is now Saturday, bright and early in the morning. Tommy slept like absolute shite last night, so we're a little tired. He's kind of been up since I would say about 4:30ish, and just tossing and turning, and kept like waking up. So I decided just to get up anyway, after a couple of hours of that. So I've been up since like 6, or out of bed since 6, up since about 4:30. But yeah, it is currently Saturday morning, and I've just kind of accepted that this is how it's going to be when I vlog now. Well, some of the time. She's a tired gal. Anyway, it was Friday last night. Obviously, it's Saturday today. But I decided to not clean my house last night before I went to bed. I thought that I wanted to watch some TV, binge watch TV program, and prioritize sleep over cleaning. So I didn't clean last night, so I need to clean this morning. And yeah, I've been watching The White Lotus. I'm on season 2, and I've got like 8 episodes and a half left. So we're on episode, I think 8. How many episodes were there? There were 7 episodes in season 2, so I'm on to episode 6, like halfway through episode 6. But I went to bed last night. I was going to finish it, but I ended up going to bed because she needed to go to sleep. but I'm really enjoying it. I found the first season a little bit hard to get into because I didn't really kind of understand it. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the second season a lot more, and yeah, I ended up liking the first season like sort of halfway through it though, so that was right. But yeah, anyway, today is Saturday. I'm gonna have a tidy up day, or have a tidy up morning, and then I've got to go to brunch. My auntie from the UK is over, so I'm going to go meet my dad, Jean, and my nana and my auntie. So we're gonna go out for brunch, and yeah, that should be fun. I'm hoping I make it. I'm sure I will. I'll be fine once I'm up. I've had a coffee, I'll be alright. But yeah, so I want to just get a few bits and bobs tidied up around the house before I leave, and get my washing folded as well, because I've got a bunch of washing. I also need to go get some washing dried today, so we've got a busy day. Got lots to do today. Tommy is down here. Hi, good boy. I like your outfit. He's a little merino outfit on. This one's from Millie and Milo from Farmers. I absolutely love their merino clothes. They're so cute. Hi! Why did you keep Mummy up? Oh, there goes my alarm to get up. You kept Mummy up, didn't you? Yes, that's okay. He's probably going to go down for his first nap soon. Cute boy. Who's so cute? He's so cute. I'm going to go start cleaning and getting some stuff tidied up. And then I'll get myself dressed. I also need my Archie's breakfast because Archie's awake now. So I looked in Archie's school bag the other day, and I found this at the bottom. I think it was for Mother's Day, but they just popped it in his bag. Usually they tell me about them, they must have forgotten, but how cute is it? I just love getting little like pieces of artwork from his daycare. We have this one too. This is a that was a Valentine's Day one. I'm pretty sure this was for Mother's Day, but I just think that is absolutely adorable, and I love his little artwork pieces. They just make me so happy. So I've just got that sitting up here. Kind of want to get a magnet and turn it into a magnet, like stick a magnet on the back of it. I think it would look cute on the fridge. for my friend to come over. She's gonna come over and have a little visit. I haven't seen her in a couple of weeks, so she's gonna come see the boys, hang out with me. And yeah, brunch was lovely. I had a really nice avocado and salmon on toast. It was delicious. And yeah, just the boys were so good while we were out. They only, like, literally in the last like 2 minutes of us leaving did they get upset, so that was really good. I'll give you guys an outfit of the day. I got this from Kmart last weekend when I went, and it is super comfy. Just a big, like, oversized wool jumper type thing, and it is honestly the most cozy thing, and it's just amazing. It's like an outside of like a dressed up robe, but I love it. And then I just wore, not these, but I wore my Air Force Ones as well. So super comfy outfit, but I feel like this jumper just added that extra like winter comfort to it. It actually wasn't that cold though. I thought it was going to be colder than it was when we went out, but it was not cold at all, so that's nice. I also did my makeup today. I never do makeup anymore, and I kind of wish I was looking through old photos of like when Archie was Tommy's age, because I was kind of like comparing them and seeing if they look alike, which they kind of do, but they look like brothers, but like they are also so different. Anyway, I was looking at like photos back then, and like I had some really nice photos with Archie with like my makeup done. They were super cute. And like now I just never wear makeup, so I kind of want to make a bit more effort to put some more makeup on my face, because I want to take more photos with Tommy, and every time I take photos with Tommy I just look like a disheveled mess and I'm tired. So yeah, we chucked some makeup on today. I just put a bit of bronzer on, some foundation, bronzer on my eyes, brows and mascara, and then I had some lip gloss on as well. That's gone now. I think as well though, after you haven't worn makeup in a really long time, when you put makeup on, it just looks like a lot, like almost cake face. I didn't put much on today, so it looks a little bit more natural. I think I just need to build up to wearing makeup. Tommy's awake. I need to feed him because he missed his last feed because he fell asleep in the car on the way home.